Alright, another version of Luck Runs Out. It's been a while since I videotaped some of this. And we're going to step back, take it all in, starting on the aft end. Got all the motors, got the booster section, video bay, the parachutes, Nomex, got the shroud, AV bay, main chute bay, main chute nose cone. Let's head all the way back again, starting at the aft end. Got a little custom motor retention. Two 38mm igniting to two 29mm. We're going to fire off with two J350s. Then going to air start two I200s. Of course, two of those motors that we're showing are not the motors that will be lit. Come down here, we got sampling some igniters and a little bit of pyrogen to help ignite the air starts. And the aft end, which we've seen before on this rocket. And heading on up, taping off, getting ready to do some final painting. As you can see, it's got the primer coat on it, sanded down fairly smooth. We did also cleaned up all the carbon fiber tip to tip. Heading up inside, did carbon fiber inside the video bay in there. Pretty cool. There it goes, our video bay compartment. Got the switches in, both timers mounted and set. Stand this puppy up. Got some fresh batteries inside. Camera goes down in there. But I very well can't film if the camera's in there right now. Alright, there's a cap for the video camera bay. A little mirror. Hello, mirror. Is going to go up right in there. Alright, we got the 18-inch drogue parachute. It's a high-speed chute. Help bring it down from high altitude. Got some real heavy harness cable. Hold everything together. Some Nomex protector. This is the drogue bay. Coming up to the AV bay, which I finally got together. Pretty cool. Those are the charge canisters, and got up some a couple E-matches and a couple grams of black powder. Woohoo! Alright, heading up to this side. We've got the switches on. There's a couple switches. Still need some painting. Getting ready to do that this weekend. Coming up, this is the avionics bay. We have this flight altimeter is the perfect flight. This one is a G-Wiz. The G-Wiz has a pyro channel battery and a CPU battery. The perfect flight does everything off one battery. And a little bit of the wiring underneath. And the wiring heading inside is to the chargers and the back of the switches inside. Also 2 layers of carbon fiber up in there. Very strong. Heading up for some more E-matches and some more black powder and the quick links holding it all together. This is the tube for the main parachute. And here's our main 60-inch sky angle chute with some Nomex protectors and a 20-foot shock cord, the harness, and the nose cone. Looking up inside there is the attachment point. Very well.
Give me fire, give me double charges on!
Okay, one thing I was going to show you here is turning on the timers, and you just get to hear those working. Got them all wired up. I'm going to turn on one. It was telling us that we did not have a igniter hooked up to it. I'm going to do another one here. And turn on. That beeped out 4.5 seconds for ignition. And also that siren at the end tells us that there's not a igniter hooked up. I'm going to go ahead and switch these off Okay, we're going to be turning on the altimeters here, and so you can check those out as they're wired up and ready to go. This one here is going to be the G-Wiz altimeter, which is this guy right here. I'm going to go ahead and turn this puppy on. Alright, I'm going to turn on the other altimeter now. This is the Perfect Flight altimeter. This one here. And that's beeping out a Mach delay and beeping out the main parachute deployment, which is going to be 700. And the G-Wiz is going to be at 800. Go ahead and switch this puppy off. Alright, doing some testing here. The final installations of the camera, attaching the mirror, and it's all coming together. Mirror looks centered. Alright, doing some more testing here. We're going to test out the shock to the video camera with a mild drop to simulate a landing. So here we go. That was a pretty hard drop. Hopefully the camera's okay. Zoe, look here. Zoe, there's the camera. Say hi.
I was walking through it.
Here we have Luck Runs Out. Got her finally all assembled. A few more finishing touches, but she's pretty much ready to fly. Luck runs out. There's my cool motor retainer back there, all pristine now. It'll be pretty toaster caked after the motor's fire. Getting ready to epoxy mirror in. Right now it's just taped up, but it'll be epoxied in tonight.